Kuraihurite kihana maithori mathiko-ini ma Daisy Mbathe uria wari murutani wa thukuru wa muthingi wa Ndoni. Mbathe uria woragirwo ni andu matoekaine oragirwo na njira ya unyamu na thutha-ini mwiri wake ukimundio mwaki. Giko giki ni kirarakite aingi guku ciiko ta ici cia kugera andu ngero ikimenererio na njira nene.
I want to take the opportunity to denounce what happened, to curse what happened in the strongest words possible, because this teacher ought not to have met the kind of death that was meted on her.
That such a heinous crime could be carried out without the knowledge of the security machinery, their representatives, local citizens, the church, name them, is a jigsaw puzzle, something that raises more questions than it answers.
Andu a family ni magathiririe Mbathe ta mundu urendete family yake na ndarari uru na mundu makiuga ni moro ni mundu wa bata.
She was a loving mother, a caring mother. That's all that we had in life. She died like an hero. She lived an hero life. All I can say, God rest her soul in peace.
Thirikari ni yorotetwo kumana na giko giki riwe kiorio ike mituki gutigirira kioto kia Mbathe ni kioneka na aria matabanirie giko giki kia unyamu ni maikio ngono.
While we applaud the government vis-a-vis the security officers for bringing to book some of the suspects, we challenge the government to do all what is possible to take action within the law against the murderers and beasts, for beasts they can only be described to be.
No gwa kahinda gaka maabitha a borithi ni maikitie ngono ekwirwo atandatu na makahungwo mahuri, umwe wao ari muthuri wake Lawrence Mbidi Ndolo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Bio wa Wambui.